Good day guys and welcome. In this video we're talking about how to return an item from the Shein website. So if you've ordered, for example, some shoes, let's say these, you went through the procedure of purchasing, you've paid for them, but they, for example, came as a wrong size, damaged, or you just don't like them and you want to return them. So the way to do this, you need to go to your profile, then navigate to My Orders, and in here guys you will be able to return everything. So in my case, as you can see, I have no orders, but I will show you a small tutorial on how to return. Alright, so of course make sure to firstly log in with an account. As you saw, I already have one. I'm logged in. After that guys, you navigate to your orders just like I've shown you. Then you click on the order, just choose it and click on return item. So this is a phone interface, but it's going to be very similar and intuitive on the desktop version, whether you're from laptop or the desktop PC. So you press on return. After that you return with the application. So of course, if you, for example, bundled a few items that you've ordered through one order and you want to return something specific from that bundle, you just choose what you want to return. After that, of course, as always, you need to provide a reason for the return, which you will get in this drop-down menu. And after that, you just choose, for example, defective item, size too big, etc. And of course, the next step is going to be uploading the pictures, photos of your items. This is necessary. So you can, as you can see, upload 3 photos. In the next step, as you can see, you will be said and told, please be sure all items you wish to return have been added to the return list. That's important. After that, just choose the return method, right? Basically to which payment method you want to return your cash to after your return will be approved. So as you can see, you can select the Shein wallet, and also you can select the original payment account. Right, and payment method, basically something you've paid with, or say some certain bank card, you'll get the money back on that same card. And also in return method, you will be prompted to basically choose your preferred place of your return, either a post office or UPS store, and yeah, you just come there with the QR code and stuff that will be provided as you return, and you just pack it and return it. After that, just submit your application after choosing the return refund method, return method, and after that you're done. And after Shein receives and processes your package, they'll issue a refund back to your original payment method or as Shein wallet credit. Also keep in mind that some items like underwear, bodysuits, or final sale products may not be refundable. Enjoy guys, hopefully this helped you. If it did, like on the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.